Hi, love. Ito na yung araw na kahit tagal nating hindi. Pwede take two. Kahit pag pinabasa ko, may... Oo. Game. First ever gift ko sa'yo and I remember kung gaano ka kasaya that time. Sabay din tayo bumili nung watch organizer mo. You said gusto mo punuin yun. Kaya here's another one para i-add sa collection mo. Ayan na, mas madami ka ng time sa akin. Charot. Sana yung PS5 pag may PS8 na. Thank you. Wow. Salamat sa pagpunta, tsaka na-appreciate ko lahat ng effort mo. Cheers! Let's go!
Alam ko dati mo pa gusto itong camera na to. Let's capture life naman.
Thank you for making our love story extraordinary.
Best friend, partner, yung kala ko, dapat hindi ako yak. Now, husband, Yves. I can still clearly recall to this day how we first met. As if it only happened yesterday.
Fingerprints still on my skin.
Ikaw ang definition ng ride or die. We're always on the same boat, regardless kung gaano kalakas ang alon. We still manage to pull through. Kakayanin. Yun yung mantra natin.
Ice cold window rain.
Every day it could be a sacrifice. Every day it could be a suffering. But at the end of our life, you have to say to each other, pinili ko siya, minahal ko siya, at ang buhay namin ay iisa.
Heard your laugh on my TV.
8 years of adventures, support, love, and countless moments of laughter. I'm amazed how we grow as an individuals and as partners.
Made too much for only me. Trace your face from
welcome to the marriage life. Lagi niyo tatandaan na trust and love should be always there.
Sobrang thank you sa lahat ng sa pagpapalaki mo sa akin, sa lahat ng ginawa mo para kung ano na ako ngayon dahil sa inyo ni Nina. Maraming salamat and I love you.
You're the shiver down my spine. You're the postcard.
Itong love story natin, hindi ito once upon a time. Ito ay ang continuation ng ating happy ever after. Together, I love you, wifey, forever and beyond.
Up from this dream.
ikaw ang makakapagpatunay na malayo pa, pero malayo na. Dahil nandyan ka. Mula umpisa, gitna, hanggang dulo. I am ready to be your forever partner in adventures, your forever travel buddy, and your forever passenger princess. Ives, ikaw ang nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda. Mahal kita palagi.